Use center in Pandas rolling when using a time series. I am trying to set center equals true in Pandas rolling function, for a time series. But output is expected output is the one generated by but using datetime-like offsets, since it simplifies part of my other code, not posted here. Is there any alternative solution? Thanks.
Try the following, tested with pandas equals 0.23.3. This will center your rolling sum in the 7-day window, by shifting minus 3.5 days, and will allow you to use a datetime-like string for defining the window size. Note that shift only takes an integer, thus defining with hours. This will produce your desired output. Note that the rolling sum is assigned to the center of the 7-day windows, using midnight to midnight timestamps, so the centered timestamp includes 12 hours. Another option, as you show at the end of your question, is to resample the data to make sure it has even datetime frequency, then use an integer for window size, window equals 7, and center equals true. However, you state that other parts of your code benefit from defining window with a datetime-like string, so perhaps this option is not ideal.
You could try to resample your serial data frame in order to convert the offset window to a fixed width window. Note: the first hack in the resampling only works if you know that you have at maximum 1 point per day. If you have more, you can replace it by sum or whatever is relevant to your data. Note 2. The introduced nan for missing dates will not cause the sum value to be nan. Pandas ignores them while summing.
From Pandas version 1.3 this is asterisk directly possible with Pandas. Asterisk or will be, the work is merged, but 1.3 is not yet released as of today. I tested the lines below against the Pandas main branch. Output is as expected.